The OnePlus 6T was just announced, and a lot of the stuff that we've been covering is pretty much confirmed. A new icon for the new iPad Pro has been found on iOS, and it pretty much confirms every rumor we've seen. And some new screenshots of the Samsung Experience 10 have just emerged, showing us some new changes. I'm Jaime Rivera, and yes, this face is because I'm pre-recording, because I'm rushing to the OnePlus event. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with B&H and the company's deals that will last pretty much up until November 17. And these are rather substantial depending on the products that you're looking for. You could even get up to $900 in discounts for products like MacBooks, which is really hard to find for MacBooks in general, like period. Up to the point where there are some cases where MacBook Pros will be like $1,300. You can learn more about the deals in the description. Now let's talk about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 as, well, I am definitely looking forward to having a look at this phone. Josh is having all the fun right now, but if you're in Europe and you want to get yourself a phone, I would rather recommend that you wait instead of buying it somewhere else, because apparently it's going to be launching in the UK at least on November 8th. So stay tuned for that. There seems to also be some sort of like a treasure hunt program that's kind of weird. Again, you can also learn about that in the description. Now let's talk about Samsung, as the company's new Experience 10 has just been leaked in photos. Most people complain about the company's user interface, and it seems that the company has been listening up to the point where we see some major changes. Number one, it looks a lot like stock Android, up to the point where it even adopts the Pixel font, which I actually do hope it stays, because that Pixel font is really cool. That seems to be one of the things that's coming. In addition to, again, just the user interface seems simpler, more practical. Let's just hope that it doesn't change from here to there. And let's move the spotlight over to iPad Pros. For those of you that are wondering what the design changes are going to be in the event that's happening on Tuesday, well, I mean, we've got icons, we've got new things that have just emerged on iOS 12 that just pretty much confirm that there will be very little bezel, no home button, probably Face ID, and we've also heard rumors that during the event we will see a new Apple Pencil, new AirPods, etc. So stay tuned for the event. I presume that it's going to be really cool. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the OnePlus 6T. The device has been announced. We were part of the event. I had to pre-record this video to be able to leave there. But yeah, I had some time with the OnePlus 6T over the weekend. My experience has been rather positive. Obviously, I know that it's polarizing to lose things like the headphone jack, in addition to the fact that the device is a little bit thicker now, but it has to do because you get a much larger battery. And sure, there is a minor price bump, but that price bump, if you consider, gets compensated by the fact that you start at 128 gigs of storage. So let us know in the comments, what do you think about the OnePlus 6T? Do you like it or not? Because I'm really liking it so far. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.